first need to cut off the existing factory axle. We'll want to leave about 3/4 of an inch of the stub from the mainframe. The stub is maintained so that it can be used as a guide, as you will see in a moment. You can use a saw or cutting torch to remove the existing axle, whichever you prefer. This process is repeated on both sides of the mainframe, leaving the same stub length. We use the hole saw and arbor attachment to achieve the proper depth to penetrate the frame over the stub, maintaining an oil bath to keep the surfaces slick and cool. Once boring through the first side of the frame is complete, the same process is repeated on the other side of the frame. As you can see, the 2 bore holes through the mainframe are perfectly aligned. We suggest the frame be clean of any debris. In most cases, the axle will align perfectly inside the frame. On this particular frame, there is an issue caused by the previous owner. They made the brutal mistake of cutting the old, broken axle out with a torch, leaving an untrue hole. We realized this after we bored our hole and discovered that the axle was out of square. The leading and trailing axles must be square, or you are going to have direct track derailment issues. Upon measuring from the center lines of these 2 axles on both sides, we found that the axle is about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch out of true. To fix this situation, we take the axle back out and remove enough material on the opposing side to get the axle to square up. We recommend that the axles be tack welded on both sides of the frame before proceeding to complete the welding process. 1 complete pass around the axle is sufficient.